Thank you for tuning in for this virtual back to school night for the 2021-2022 school year. My name is Mary Glinke. I'm a math teacher here at Geneva High School. I have very much enjoyed getting to know your students the last couple weeks of school here as we've gotten started, and I'm looking forward to this year with them. A little bit about myself. This is my 13th year teaching overall. This is my 9th year here at Geneva. I have taught everything from Algebra 1 through pre-calculus with honors at each of the different levels. So right now, this year, we're looking at Honors Algebra 2 classes for this video, and I am, Algebra 2 is a very fun class, so I'm looking forward to that this year. Other things about myself is I have a double master's from Aurora University in Educational Technology and Math Education. I have 5 kids at home, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you pictures of them because I'm a mom. So here are my children. I have Rory in the back there, Calvin, Evelyn, Gwendolyn, and Tenor. And my oldest is 10 and my youngest is 4. So it's a lot of fun at home, although it does get pretty busy. So I would encourage you to reach out and email me at any point in time, but if I ever don't reply back in the evening, they are why. I prefer to email back in the morning when they are asleep and I can get my full attention towards your emails and phone calls. So here's one other picture of them. That's over the summer, so there they are. So yeah, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. So here is my contact information. Email would probably be best, but if you would like to talk over the phone, that can work as well. So reach out if you have any questions or concerns at all. I'm here to help both you and your student through this year. So today we're going to talk about a couple of different things. OneNote is going to be the primary tool for my students in class here for taking notes or submitting homework assignments. We'll go over briefly the syllabus and then the Math Tutor Lab. So for OneNote, I have a content library here. Your student should already be familiar with this and able to show you any of this. They have access to my notes for the class, the homework as a blank copy, and the answers. So if they ever have any questions on anything, they can refer to here. They can upload the work in their notebooks and everything. So this is the primary tool we will be using for this class. They also have access to our syllabus. So if you are interested, they can show you this. I sent it home the first day. They didn't have to get it signed or anything, but at least they should have it in their possession. They are going to need a graphing calculator, and pretty much everyone's had one so far. If that's an issue, please let me know. I'd be happy to help work through that and provide a calculator if you need it. A stylus would be very helpful if they are inking on the screen. And I do realize that not everyone likes to ink on the screen, and that's totally fine. So if your student likes to write notes by hand, they have every right to do so. They can just upload pictures of their notes to OneNote. That is totally fine with me. So a lot of students are curious about how they're graded for this class. So tests are 50%. I will look for their work and I'll look for their understanding of things. So they will get a lot of partial credit if they're doing a lot of the right work, but maybe made an arithmetic error somewhere. So they do need to show all of their work on that, and they cannot retake tests. Quizzes, graded worksheet, homework, that's all going to go in the classwork category, 30% of their grades. And then the final is 20% across the board for all of their classes. Math is challenging, so they might come to a point in Algebra 2 where they might struggle. If they've never struggled before, they might end up struggling in this class, and that's okay. So I'm here to help them through the struggles. I'm here to assist how to think about problems or how to persevere through them, or how can we think about a problem. So if they are ever struggling, I am here for them and I'm happy to help. So it's not uncommon to have some topics that maybe take a little bit of time to get. They don't necessarily all click the first time, and that's okay. I'm here to help when they don't click as well. Lastly, if they are struggling and I am not available during their study hall or something, the Math Tutor Lab is an option for them. They can always go down to the Math Tutor Lab from 3:30 or 7:30 in the morning to 3:30 and utilize that. There are teachers in there that can help them and other students that can also help them as well. So on that note, if you do have any questions on anything, please, like I said, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm excited for this year and I hope that it goes well for your student. Thank you.